Meaning of GG.
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 GG. GG is a slang term that has no specific meaning, but it is often used to refer to a horse or a racehorse in particular. The term GG is believed to have originated from the sound of a horse's galloping feet, or perhaps from the word G, which means to turn right when driving horses. The expression has since been adopted by various communities as an endearing name for horses. In popular culture, GG has been used in songs, literature and movies as a way of referring to horses and their majestic beauty.